In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give mouse control in Zoom. By the end, you'll confidently hand over your mouse and keyboard so a trusted participant can click and type on your shared screen, and you'll know how to manage it safely and smoothly. First, open the Zoom desktop app and start your meeting. You can begin an instant meeting or join a scheduled one. Either way works. For the best experience, use the desktop app on a computer rather than a mobile device. Make sure you're the person who will be sharing your screen, because the ability to grant control comes from the person who is sharing. If you're working in a managed or work account and something looks different, that's normal. Account settings can affect which options appear. Next, start screen sharing. Click Share Screen in the meeting toolbar, choose either your entire screen or a specific window, and then confirm. It's a good idea to share only the window you actually need to reduce distractions and protect your privacy. Before you continue, quickly close any unrelated documents or notifications you don't want visible. If you plan to play audio or video, consider enabling share computer sound or optimization, but that's optional and won't affect remote control. Once your screen is being shared, move your mouse to reveal